In this video, I'll show you how to find a Gmail account by phone number. First, you have to open your Google Chrome and go right here on google.com. Go to the search bar and type right here, find Gmail. Now from here, you will find the first link, Google Accounts. Now tap on this and find your email. And then on the very first page of this, find your email. You now enter your phone number instead of your email address. Now, once you've done that, tap on this next button. Then on the next page, you will find here what's your name. So here you can enter your first name and last name, the same you use on your Google account. And finally, here get a verification code. So Google will send a verification code to your phone number. So tap on send. You will now receive a verification code where you can actually enter that code to this box right here. So just wait for a few seconds. Now, once you receive that code right here, so you just have to put it here on the box. Tap on this next button. And finally, you can now choose the account that you want to sign in. So that's how you basically find a Gmail account by phone number. This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.